Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, we've got a follow-up video today. I finally received the package in the mail for the item I ordered off of eBay. This is a follow-up to the video I made called eBay No More, Buying Gold at Spot and Then Not. So I put it out there. I was complaining about having to pay tax on bullion when my state doesn't charge tax, and I was pretty upset about it. So I had a lot of people comment on that video, and I'll put a link to it down in the description so you can link back to it if you want to see what my initial complaints were and what was going on if you didn't see the video. But here is the item that I ordered that I got taxed on. So, just to kind of sum it up, had I not had to pay tax on it, I would have got the item for spot. But because I paid tax, it took away, getting it for spot. But, paying $20 or $30 more isn't really in the whole scope of things that big a deal. But I expected to get it at spot, and so it was disappointing after I completed the auction to see that sales tax was added. So enough about that. You can watch the video if you want more details. Why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to figure out how to open this thing up. It's packaged very well, as you can see. Looks like there's a cover to it right here. Let's go ahead and slice in right there. And I think that might do it for me. Let me see. Oh yeah, there we go. That's all I needed to do. And put my knife away. Alright. So let's see what is in here. Alright. Nice package. They did a good job. I like it when these people package their stuff well. When you're not buying it from an online bullion dealer, you expect them to package it well, but getting it off some guy on eBay, you never know what you're going to get. So let me see if can I just slide this out of here, or do I need to tear it out of there? No, it looks like it's going to slide out of there. Okay. Yeah, let's just cut it open. Don't want to damage the box. There we go. That should help. Alright, so here you go. Got a little invoice in there. I'll take a look at that later. So, yeah, well, this box is in good shape. If I ever buy anything like this, I want to try my best to make sure the box is in good shape. It's got a little mark on it here or there, but overall, it's in really nice shape. And for those of you who don't know, I've talked about this before. If it's got a gold emblem on it, it means there's gold inside. If this was silver, it'd be for something silver in there. So let's go ahead and slide the sleeve off and look at the box itself. It's kind of hard to see with my black background. The box itself is in perfect condition. Not a single flaw on it, huh? Pretty nice. Now again, if you're going to get the set like this, make sure it's decent. And it should have a C of A in it too, because that helps as well. Now it just depends on how you're ordering it. If I were to order this coin just raw by itself, C of A wouldn't be that big a deal because I'm just buying it for the value of the gold. You can see here we got a beautiful C of A. Very nice. Let's take a look. 1987 West Point, 90% gold. Composition, you can see down here the composition says 90% gold, 3.6% silver. And the balanced copper. Now, nobody ever uses the silver value when they calculate the value of something like this coin, but the fact is there is some silver in there. And then over here it gives you the exact troy ounces. Now you can figure out exactly how much gold's in there. So we use the number 0.2419 for the actual amount of gold. So let's take a look. If I get my calculator out. We were to take what it says here, which is 0.2687, right? And you multiply that by 90%. So it says it's 90%. So 90% of 0.2687 is 0.24. But it's actually 0.2419 if you look on the official websites and stuff. So it's got slightly more than 0.24, but it's not a quarter ounce. It's a little less than a quarter of an ounce, which is why we don't use a quarter ounce for our calculation. Anyway, nice certificate of authenticity. And then And again, another gold emblem on here indicating something gold is in there. But the box again is in perfect shape. So let's see what we have here. Boom. And there we go. Let me take it out of there. I've got a few of these commemoratives. This is called a commemorative coin. A lot of times these fit in these holders pretty tight. Alright, so here we go. I was able to wrestle it out of there. It was in there tightly packed. This again is the 1987 commemorative. Let me hold it down here. So this is a nice commemorative. And again, the commemoratives on eBay, you can usually get for a really good price. They don't seem to sell well. That's why I was able to score this at spot before the tax. And then if we flip it over, we the people. Alright, it's $5. You can see written in there, $5. Right at the bottom down there, $5. You can see it's a nice finish on there. You can see the mirror finish. See my finger there? Flip it back over. Got the eagle. So pretty nice, huh? Now, a lot of times I buy these. I don't have to necessarily buy these in the kit like this, in the set, I guess would be the official term, right? I buy these commemoratives a lot of times just for the gold content. So that's why I get them for spot. I've actually gotten these for 30 or 40 bucks below spot at times off eBay. And again, it's nice to have it in the set, and because it makes it a nice, complete, nice, presentation if you ever want to sell it. But frankly, I believe if you took it into a coin store and said, hey, I got this really cool set. Zoom back out here. You said, hey, I got this really cool set. Look, the box is perfect. What do you give you for it? I don't really believe they give you much more for it because of the complete set. They might throw a few extra bucks in, but I'd be looking for the value of the gold for sure. And that's the important part, right? Is how much the gold's worth. But the box itself is pretty cool. It's nice to have. Again, the top part of the box here. The box itself is in perfect condition. And the C of A looks like it had never been opened until I opened it. So it's got some good stuff in there. So as a set, it's pretty cool. And as gold value, it's pretty cool as well. Gold's went up since I bought this, so this immediately has some profit to it. But I'm a stacker, and I plan to continue to stack. And that's why I bought it. So that's a follow-up to the eBay video that I put out, the eBay No More video. And again, if you haven't seen it, go ahead and follow the link in the description to check it out. But as you can see, definitely worth buying. Definitely a nice piece of gold, nice piece of U.S. Mint work from 1987. 0.2419 ounces of pure gold, almost a quarter, and therefore has some great value to it. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.